What does a tyre shop mentality look like, and why is it hurting your auto repair shop? I'm Dean from the Workshop Whisperer. This is the original Workshop Whisperer herself, Rachel Evans, and welcome to Talking Shop. Rach, tyre shop mentality. Why does it hurt auto repair shop owners?
Well, first of all, let's point out that there are nothing wrong with tyre shops, okay? Most tyre shops these days are tyre retailers and mechanical as well. That's not what we're drawing attention to here. It's the old school tyre selling mentality of discounting that is going to hurt you. And we all know, at least anyone that's spent any time in the auto aftermarket at all, knows that tyre selling, tyre retailing, even tyre wholesaling is usually done at low margin and requires large volume to make it work. Large volume at low margin kills an auto repair shop. Someone that is doing servicing and repair of vehicles. You don't usually have the space, you don't have the hours in the day or the manpower to turn over vehicles at the required level to make low margin, high turnover work.
It's really hard to offer 3 services and get the 4th one free.
That's exactly right, yes. Although I'm pretty sure I saw some shopper dockets back in the day that may have advertised something like that. So what we want, even for our tyre shops in the industry who do also sell mechanical services as part of their convenience offer, which is what we want, we really want you to think about margin and how doing every job at the margin you require to make a profit that will see your business goals ticked off is achieved on every job. So we know that we need GP of between 58 and 62% for a solidly profitable auto repair shop. If you sell a bunch of stuff across the week at only 25 or 30% margin consistently, and you're in general repair, even heavy diesel or 4-wheel drive, if you do that and that is your average, you will go broke. You will go broke in 5 years or less. There is no question. If you continually slash the labor hours off your invoices, if you continually slash the parts margin out of your invoices, you will end up with a gross profit that's somewhere between 20 and 30%, and that is not enough to run the operating expenses of your business.
Discounting is the devil's work, not just because it chips away at your bottom line, your net profit, but it chips away at your self-esteem, because every time you feel you've got to downplay, downsize your knowledge, your skill, your expertise, you actually get a little bit of resentment from the customer, from feeling like you've got to drop your price just to win that customer over. And resentment is like drinking poison and hoping that the other person will die. You feel really, really bad about it. And there is a table, isn't there, that shows for the level of discount that you apply, 10, 20, 30%, how much additional work you need to do. And I think it's something like, is it at 29% or something, or 20% discount, and you need to do something like 80% extra work, and this
to maintain an already ordinary margin.
Yeah. And you'll be doing that in time that you don't have. So it's a mug's game. It's a losing strategy.
You'll be stressing out your team, trying to push through work that you can't even fit in the first place. So really important to remember, revenue is not profit. Revenue can tell us the size of a business, but profit tells us the success of a business. So even if you are retailing tyres, you are likely to have a large monthly turnover, but that is not what pays all of your bills. Your gross profit pays your bills. So the smaller your margins on your work that ends up in your revenue lines at the top of the P&L, the less money you have to run your business, and the very small amount of money you're likely to have on the net profit line. And it's the net profit line that counts.
Yeah. Revenue is the figure you tell your mates around the barbecue to make it look like your business is going really, really well. Gross profit is what you need to fund your business's operation, but it's your net profit is what makes all the difference to how much fun you have with your family over your entire life.
That's it.
We'll see you on the next episode of Talking Shop.